Can you add your own music in Instagram story? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let us see if we can add our own music to Instagram or not. So go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and swipe towards the right in order to reach the story interface. Here, tap on your album icon on the bottom left of your screen and then select the stickers icon on the top right. Now here, as you can see, there is no such option to add your own Instagram music. So unfortunately, as of now, you cannot add your own music in Instagram story. However, stay updated with us and we will update you as soon as Instagram updates their feature to add your own Instagram music. And for the time being, you can edit your video in some other video editing app and add your preferred music and further save the video and post it in Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.